In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade meme coins on Pumpfun. First, head over to Pump.fun, which is a platform for launching and trading meme coins on the Solana network. Once you're on the site, the first thing you'll want to do is find a token you're interested in trading. There are a few simple ways to do that. One option is to browse the main feed. You can check the new tab to see recently launched coins, or the rising tab to look at tokens that are gaining attention. This is a useful place to start if you're exploring and want to see what's active on the platform right now. Another method is to use the search bar. If you already know the token you want to trade and you have its token address, you can paste it directly into search to pull it up quickly. This is often the easiest approach if you're trying to avoid confusion between similarly named coins. You can also use filters to narrow things down. For example, you may be able to sort by market cap or bonding curve progress. That bonding curve meter gives you a visual sense of how close a token is to reaching its market cap limit, so it can help you better understand where a coin is in its life cycle on the platform. Once you've found a meme coin you want to trade, click on it to open its dedicated page. On that page, look to the right side of the screen for the Manage or Trade box. This is where you'll actually enter your order. If you're buying, type in the amount of Sol you want to spend. In some cases, you can also use preset percentages based on your wallet balance, which can make the process a little faster. After entering the amount, click the Buy or Place Trade button. Your wallet will then prompt you to approve the transaction. Once you confirm it, the meme coins should appear in your wallet after the transaction goes through. If you want to sell, the process is almost exactly the same. Go back to the tokens page on Pump.fun and make sure your wallet is connected. Then select the Sell tab in the Trade box. Enter the amount of the meme coin you want to sell, click Sell, and approve the transaction in your wallet. After that, your tokens will be swapped back into SSOL. As a quick tip, always double check the token page and the amount you're entering before confirming any trade, especially in fast-moving meme coin markets. And that's how to trade meme coins on Pumpfun.